Hello everyone, I am Anup Kumar Gupta and I am going to present our work ALPINE, Improving Remote Heart Rate Estimation Using Contrastive Learning. This work is jointly done with Lokendra, Sneha Shukla and Puneet Gupta at the Indian Institute of Technology, Indore. Heart rate plays an important role in determining physical and mental well-being of a human. Traditional methods of measuring heart rate requires skin contact. Remote photoplethysmography or rPPG is a contactless technique which estimates heart rate from face videos. The existing deep learning methods perform poorly in presence of noise and require large datasets for better generalization. We mitigate these drawbacks with the proposed method ALPINE. ALPINE uses contrastive learning framework to overcome the scarcity of labeled data and to introduce diversity in training data. Further, it uses a novel hybrid loss function for better HR estimation. Given an input video, the region of interest or ROI corresponding to each frame is detected. We then obtain the temporal signals from each ROI as the average of the intensity values of the green channel across all ROI frames. The obtained temporal signals contain irrelevant signal components such as noise. To suppress such spurious components, we pass the obtained signals through a bandpass filter. To mitigate uneven distributions of HR ranges, we employ temporal signal interpolation. In order to obtain a temporal signal with HR k times the original HR, the temporal signal is scaled 1 by k times the original signal. The noisy original and augmented signals are passed through a TCN based model to obtain the denoised signals. Using these denoised signals, the contrastive loss LC is calculated. This LC consists of three components. The first component aims to maximize the similarity between the original signals from two different ROIs. Similarly, the second component aims to maximize the similarity between augmented signals from two different ROIs. Finally, the third component ensures that the HR from the augmented signal is k times HR from the original signal. To ensure a high quality denoised signal, we employ a SNR loss which maximizes the SNR of the obtained temporal signal. Finally, we use data fidelity loss to ensure that the obtained heart rate corresponds to the ground truth. The overall loss for a given ROI is computed as summation over the SNR loss, the data fidelity loss, and the contrastive loss. The summation of losses over all the ROIs gives us the overall loss for the video. During inference, PFD is employed to obtain the heart rate from the estimated temporal signals. It can be observed from the comparative results that ALPINE outperforms other well-known rPPG techniques. To understand the importance of each component of the hybrid loss function, we performed different experiments by using only that component as a loss function. Additionally, we performed the experiment RGB by replacing green color in ALPINE with the RGB colors. This setting performs poorly as the green color channel provides the strongest PPG signals. We also perform experiments using 2 and 3 ROIs instead of the proposed 4 ROIs. We saw a drop in performance compared to the proposed method. Thank you for listening.